Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Amazfit has launched a new smartwatch and it's the Amazfit T-Rex. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you the features of this smartwatch. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the model name here and the picture of the smartwatch. And here are some features such as it comes with the military standard certifications, AMOLED display, 20 days battery backup, it's 5 ATM waterproof, you get built-in GPS and it comes with the multi-sport modes. At the back of the box we have some technical specifications. Now let's open the box and see the content. So here on the top we have the smartwatch itself. It's not on right now and there is a sticker on it. And my first impression about the watch is that it looks rugged and well built. Something similar to the Casio G-Shock. But surprisingly, this watch feels really lightweight. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have the user guide and we also get this charging dock. And to charge this smartwatch, you have to attach it like this at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit T-Rex, as the name suggests, it's an aggressive all-rounder rugged smartwatch. This smartwatch is big and because of the design, you will see big bezels and the prominent lines on the case. And as mentioned earlier, it does look like the Casio rugged smartwatch G-Shock. This smartwatch is available in 4 colors and here we have the rock black, and apart from that it's also available in camo green, khaki and army green. The watch offers you a premium looking rugged body with the 12 military grade certifications. This smartwatch can withstand extreme temperatures and conditions, which means from extreme heat to extreme cold weather. The case of this watch is made up of polycarbonate and you have these metal buttons on the side which are up, down, select and back. These physical buttons will come handy in different scenarios, such as using this smartwatch with winter gloves. So in terms of design and build quality, I really like it. I know not everyone likes this rugged design, especially people with the smaller wrist. Talking about the screen, we have a 1.3-inch AMOLED display that comes with the Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And this also comes with the anti-fingerprint coating. At the back we have the heart rate sensor and the charging pins. The strap of the smartwatch is also made up of good quality material and it really feels comfortable. Now in terms of other features, this smartwatch comes with a 390 mAh battery in it, which will give you battery backup of up to 3 weeks. And in the basic watch mode, it can last for over 2 months, which is really impressive. Apart from that, you also have the built-in GPS and the GLONASS support. And you also get the Bluetooth 5.0 support, and this watch is 5 ATM waterproof. Now let's turn on the smartwatch and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, you would need the app Amazfit, which is available for both Android and iOS. In the app, you just need to select the watch from the add device section and scan the QR code. And that's it, the watch is now paired. And guys, as soon as you pair the smartwatch with your phone, you will see few updates which also includes a firmware update. And this will take approximately 10 minutes. So our watch is ready to use now. Let's go through the menu. So first we have the watch face, and apart from this watch face, you can also customize the watch face and choose from the 30 total watch faces. One thing which I must tell you, that the brightness and the display quality is really good and the viewing angles are also pretty good. In terms of the control, so when you swipe down from the top, you will see the quick settings and here you have the options like brightness, DND, torch, etc. And when you swipe down more, you can see heart rate and today's step count. Swiping right from the left side on the watch face will show you the notification history, and swiping left from the right side will show you the menu. So first we have the status, which shows you the step count, calories burned and distance traveled. And then we have the heart rate, and this smartwatch also supports continuous heart rate monitoring. And then we have the workout menu, and here you have 14 different sports mode. And when you select a sport mode, you can select the workout goals and other settings here as well. Coming back to the menu, then we have the activities menu, weather, where you have detailed weather info and the upcoming weather forecast. And after that we have the music controls, and yes, you can control music from this smartwatch playing on your phone, but you cannot transfer or store music in the watch itself. After that we have the alarm and then the event reminders, which you can set from the app. And then we have some few basic options such as timer, countdown, and also the find phone feature, which will play a ringtone on your phone. And after that we have the compass on the smartwatch. And lastly we have the settings, and here we have the watch face settings where you have two pre-installed watch faces. And if you want more watch faces, you need to download them from the app, which I will show you in a moment. And then we have the screen on duration, quick button settings where you can select the feature to open upon long pressing the select button. Amazfit T-Rex also support always on display, and here is how it looks. You can select the always on display mode as analog or digital, but again this will reduce the battery backup. And lastly we have the system settings which will let you restart, reset or turn off the smartwatch. So overall I find the menu of this smartwatch pretty good, and this watch definitely comes with a lot of options and features. Now coming to my personal experience with this smartwatch, I have tested this smartwatch for over a month and I find it really comfortable as well. The strap quality is really good, and even though this watch is big and bulky, it didn't bother me at all. I also use this smartwatch for sleep tracking and I didn't feel any issue with it. Overall I'm really happy with the build quality and the features, and about the data accuracy, it's pretty accurate as well. The app Amazfit comes with a lot of options, and on the home page you can see your today's fitness data, heart rate data, and you also have the last night's sleep data. Fitness data is pretty accurate and the heart rate sensor is also very accurate. I have also compared the fitness data with some other smartwatches like the Apple Watch and the Fitbit Versa, and the data accuracy is pretty good. In terms of app features, so in the settings you can select the watch face from the various options, and I find some of the watch faces really good. And then we have the notification settings. Talking about it, here is how you get the call notification, and in this watch you can silent or reject the call. Now let me show you the message notifications, and in this smartwatch you don't get the preset replies for the message notifications. Apart from that, you have the settings for the heart rate, and then we have the raise to wake feature, which in my opinion works really good on this smartwatch. So overall Amazfit T-Rex offers a premium rugged look which will appeal to a lot of people, especially who are into outdoor activities. The build quality and the design of this smartwatch is perfect. You get all the necessary features including a built-in GPS, 5 ATM waterproof, and this smartwatch is suitable for extreme weather conditions. Amazfit T-Rex not just only looks rugged, but it actually offers all the rugged features with the military grade certification, which is good to see in this price segment. Talking about the price of this smartwatch, it's available at Rs 9,999, and at this price point, this smartwatch from the Amazfit is definitely value for money. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Amazfit T-Rex smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.